Okay, so here's the ESSEA website where your content will be located. Remember, you log in with your ACE email, and your password is Earth with a capital E, and that's all up here in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to log in. Now when you log in, it will look different because I've got a faculty login. So I'm going to do a preview of the course, and here we go. So we have some basic introductory information. Welcome to the course, how to do ESS investigations, a guide to online learning, and informed consent. So you want to go through those and read through all of this material. So each one of these is a link. This is a little more descriptive. Okay. Then the first 3 weeks are an orientation. So you want to be carefully read all the information in here. If you click on a link, then it'll take you to the page, and then you've got drop-down menus with more stuff to read. What's Earth System Science and an introduction to an ESS analysis. Make sure you read that carefully because it tells you how to do the Earth System Science analysis. Okay, and then it's got rubrics. It shows you about the rubrics, so you can read the rubrics. This one you don't actually fill out. So those are the same rubrics that you saw in the syllabus. So you go through the 3 weeks. Each one of these is a week. It doesn't have a due date over here, but I've got a due date on your syllabus, so check that out. Okay, so let's look at the first content module. So this is where the grading begins. Notice that there are 2 assignments due this week, one of them Thursday, one of them Sunday. I try to grade these the day after they're submitted. Remember, no late work is allowed. So you're going to work as an individual, and then you're going to work with a team as a group. So once again, you have drop downs with a variety of information, and then this time you have a scenario which is going to tell you about coral reefs. So it has information to read, maybe some links that you could look at, interactive map, other types of things. So you'll want to read through this carefully. It describes the coral reefs. Then you have an assignment. So, like I said, you've got 2 assignments, so you have an individual assignment, and your job is to be a researcher, and it tells you exactly what to do. And then it tells you what you're going to produce, and then you upload your assignment. So remember, we want these in Microsoft Word format, so you click that button, and right now we can't upload because the course is not active, but it'll give you the opportunity to upload your Word file. So that's due on Thursday night, and then you work with your team, and then there's a section on Blackboard to work with groups, or if you want to, you can actually meet with your groups if you can arrange such a time, but you're still being a researcher. So you've got things to do here. You've got your assignment. Here's what's deliverable, and then here's a place to upload that assignment by Sunday. Okay. And here's your rubric. So it has a rubric for the individual and a rubric for the team. And once again, when you click on the rubric, it'll discuss rubrics, and then it'll have the grading. And this time in the real course, you'll actually mark one of these and give a reason for that. So you want to do these carefully. Make sure you read the rubric before you do the assignment. Now on the group assignment, every member of the group will want to upload the same assignment. So then and also fill out the rubric, and then I'll grade them, and every member of the group will get the same grade. So make sure you upload exactly the same assignment. So that's cycle A. Cycle B, you move from researcher to analyzer. So it's the same kind of deal. They repeat the scenario, so you can read that again. But here's the assignment, and suggestions that you review the ESS analysis, and tells you what to do. You upload your assignment, you fill out the rubric, and once again, this is a team job, so everybody uploads the same work. So you want to share that work. And so that's cycle B. And then cycle C, you got the scenario repeated. This time you make a concept map. And there's some example concept maps on the blackboard for you to look at, but make sure you read all this material about concept maps. It gives you some other programs you could use, some online programs you could use to make a concept map. This is an individual assignment, and you upload that. And once again, I recommend you copy your map and place it into a Word document for me to be able to open easily. And there's a couple of ways you can copy the document. Sometimes if it's an image, you can just right click on it and copy the image and paste it. Other times, if you use the print screen button on your computer, what it will do, that's on a PC, I'm not sure what button that is on a Mac, but it'll save your screen to the clipboard, and then you could paste it into a Word document. So you'll upload that here, and then you'll fill out the rubric. Make sure you read the rubric as you're doing the assignment to get the things correct. Okay, you can see there's other information here that's available for you. Resources. This is also the same on every module. Okay, so that's a module with coral reefs. Now the rest of the modules work the same way. So deforestation, amphibian crisis, and Gulf of Mexico dead zone, they all work the same way. Then you've got a final project at the last of the course, and what you're going to do is take the first ESS analysis you did back in the orientation, and you're going to see if you can't improve it. Okay, so take what you first did when you were practicing and make it better. And then you've got your rubric once again after you upload your assignment. So that's basically how things work on the ESSEA website, and all your content is present there. Alright, the next video I'll show you is a little bit about what's available on Blackboard.